Lowering and regulating blood sugar is essential for people who have diabetes or are at risk. To do that, you must manage your diet well so you're eating the right foods and avoiding the wrong ones. For diabetic people in particular, foods that are absorbed slowly by the body are the best because they do not result in blood sugar spikes and dips. For example, eating foods high in fiber and healthy fats like oats and avocados can help lower blood sugar levels and ultimately prevent spikes. Want to know what other foods are best for reducing glucose levels? Stay tuned until the end. Number 1. Oats and oat bran. Are you an oatmeal enjoyer? If yes, keep it up. If not, then you should reconsider. Oats and oat bran are high in soluble fiber, a type of fiber that has been found to have remarkably blood sugar reducing agents. Thus, it can be concluded that including them in your regular diet can improve blood sugar levels. Moreover, in a review it was found that eating whole oats with at least 3 grams of soluble fiber daily can increase insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients. In turn, it leads to reduced blood sugar levels. Make sure to opt for rolled or steel-cut oats as they're less processed varieties, so they absorb more slowly. Meanwhile, as much as possible, steer clear of instant oatmeal, especially those with added sugar. You may add fruits or other ingredients to your oatmeal so long as you're mindful of the overall sugar and carbohydrate content. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Number 2. Fatty fish. Diabetic or not, fatty fish is an essential part of a healthy diet. Fatty fishes like salmon and sardines are like the perfect food for people with high sugar because they don't have GI scores. In addition, they've been shown to help improve sugar regulation. Given the myriad benefits of fatty fish, it's no wonder they're considered one of the healthiest foods. For starters, they contain a great amount of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which can aid in combating complications from diabetes. These two omega-3s are also actively involved in protecting blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and improving the function of arteries. When you have diabetes, the risk of heart disease and stroke is nearly doubled, and so having fatty fish in your diet can greatly reduce the chances of such severe complications. Did you know that the green cabbage-like vegetable called broccoli is also best for reducing blood sugar? Yep, exactly as it sounds. More about this here. Number 3. Broccoli and broccoli sprouts. According to studies, broccoli has an ingredient that helps in regulating type 2 diabetes. This plant chemical in broccoli and sprouts is called sulforaphane, a type of isothiocyanate known for its blood sugar-reducing properties. It's produced when the cruciferous vegetable is chewed or chopped. And based on animal, test tube, and human studies, sulforaphane-rich broccoli has potent anti-diabetic effects. In other words, it boosts insulin sensitivity and lowers blood sugar and even markers of oxidative stress. Likewise, broccoli sprouts have concentrated amounts of glucosinolates, like glucoraphanin, which have been shown to help enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes. To boost the availability of sulforaphane in broccoli and broccoli sprouts, eat them raw or a little steamed. Number 4. Avocados. The creamy, delicious avocado, huh? Well, it turns out that not only does this fruit taste good, but it's also high in plant-based fats and fiber. On top of that, it's rich in vitamins and minerals, and those, alongside healthy fats and fiber, help slow down the absorption process. Hence, it can improve blood sugar levels. Furthermore, numerous studies have discovered that eating avocados can help lower blood sugar levels and protect against metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome refers to a group of conditions including high blood sugar and high blood pressure, which elevates the risk of chronic diseases. Number 5. Beans and lentils. Legumes are an umbrella term for beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas, all of which have very low GI scores. In particular, beans and lentils are packed with nutrients such as fiber, protein, and magnesium that can help modulate blood sugar levels. More specifically, they're high in soluble fiber and resistant starch. These are two types of carbohydrates that take longer to be digested by the body, promoting more stable blood sugars. Besides blood sugar control, eating beans and lentils can also help prevent the development of diabetes according to many other studies. If you have diabetes, you may wish to avoid legume products that contain added sugars and simple starches. Common examples of these are syrups, sauces, or marinades. Such additions can significantly increase a legume product's GI score. Ever had kefir before? This and yogurt and just fermented foods in general are quite great at reducing your glucose. Find out how next. Number 6. Fermented foods. Fermented dairy products like kefir and yogurt may also aid in lowering blood sugar. Research has associated kefir and yogurt intake with improved blood sugar control. For instance, in a study on people with type 2 diabetes, it was found that drinking 600 milliliters of kefir per day significantly reduced fasting blood sugar, compared with drinking non-probiotic kefir. As for yogurt, it's generally a low GI food with a score of 50 or below for unsweetened ones. Plus, in another study, it was found that consuming 150 grams of yogurt daily improved post-meal insulin and blood sugar levels compared to their baseline. Try avoiding sweetened or flavored yogurts as they often contain too much sugar for a person who is looking to reduce their blood sugar levels. Instead, have an unflavored Greek-style yogurt. It's extremely healthy and is even said to improve blood sugar control. Number 7. Garlic. Afraid of having a garlic breath? Nah, that's nothing compared to having low blood sugar. Evidence suggests that eating garlic can help control blood sugar. It's all thanks to certain compounds such as allyl propyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine sulfoxide that help increase insulin sensitivity. A few years ago, it was found that consuming between 0.05 to 1.5 grams of garlic supplements a day was linked to reduced blood glucose levels in type 2 diabetes patients. Try adding some crushed up garlic cloves to your dishes. Alternatively, you can spice your foods using garlic powder. For precaution, don't eat garlic if you're on a blood thinner. Also, consult your doctor if you plan to eat lots of it, as it can contribute to nausea, gas, and heartburn. Coming up next is a food, a snack to be exact, that's loved by many. It's chia seeds. How it benefits your blood sugar levels? Watch here. Number 8. Chia seeds. Eating chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar. Studies have associated chia seed intake with reductions in blood glucose levels and improvements in insulin sensitivity. One way it does this is by turning the glucose into complex carbs, which also aids in making you feel fuller for longer. What's more, chia seeds are rich in fiber and healthy fats. Both nutrients have been shown to reduce blood pressure in people with type 2 diabetes. Other beneficial effects of eating chia seeds are preventing obesity and promoting weight loss, all the while keeping your glycemic control balanced. Number 9. Pumpkin and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin is another excellent choice for blood sugar reduction and regulation. This plump vegetable is even used as a traditional diabetic remedy in several countries, including Iran and Mexico. Certain carbs called polysaccharides are found in pumpkin, a molecule that has been studied for its blood sugar regulating potential. Moreover, in both human and animal studies, the use of pumpkin extracts and powders in treatments has been found to remarkably decrease blood sugar levels. On the other hand, pumpkin seeds are loaded with healthy fats and proteins, which make them a great choice for blood sugar control. Number 10. Nuts. Nuts are low glycemic foods that are also high in fiber and healthy fats. To top it off, they contain powerful nutrients and vitamins like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and magnesium, which boost heart health and contribute to a healthy diet. In particular, eating nuts may be helpful for people wanting to lower their blood sugar levels. A study with 25 participants who all have type 2 diabetes showed that consuming peanuts and almonds throughout the day as part of their low-carb diet had lowered both their post-meal and fasting blood sugar levels. Similarly, in another study, participants who ate 15 grams of pistachios twice a day for 2 months had both reduced blood sugar levels and reduced fasting glucose levels. To kick things up a notch, consider taking up a no-sugar 30-day challenge. Not only will it lower your blood sugar, but you'll also get to experience other major health benefits. Click this video to learn more.